Hey guys, today we're talking hair health. The number one cause of damage when you're doing your hair at home is using a curling iron or a flat iron without heat protection. Unfortunately, the directions on the bottle are absolutely terrible and will leave your hair with a really bad feeling texture. So here's the official instructions for much better results. So our heat protectant is Kenra's Thermal Styling Spray. It is hands down the best because it creates a barrier to protect your hair from heat, but that barrier is super shiny, so it actually makes your hair look much healthier, and it adds hold, so your style will last much longer than it normally would. So step one, when you're spraying this, you want it to be about 8 to 10 inches away from the hair so you get full coverage. You also want to spray it on both the top of the section and the bottom of the section so you get the whole thing evenly. 2 or 3 sprays on each side is usually perfect. But remember, don't go too close to the roots. Step 2, you must brush it out. If you don't brush it out, it'll be this clumpy, weird texture that doesn't feel good at all. So what you want to do is take a wet brush, brush it through your hair until you can't feel it anymore. The hair should feel completely natural and free of product. After that, super easy. Just take your iron, do what you would normally do, and you'll be all set. And you want to do this one section at a time. You don't just want to spray your whole head. You want to take little 2-inch horizontal sections like this, spray it, brush it through, use the iron. Keep repeating that all the way up your head, around your head, until you're done. You really want to use this every single time you use an iron. Your style will last much longer, it'll be much shinier, and your hair will be much healthier because it's protected from heat.